Okay, this is Affinity Studio, a new version of the Affinity. We call it Affinity Studio version 3 or above. When you open Affinity, we have all three software in one. When you open that, it's a welcome screen. It's very simple. You can go to affinitystudio.com. I'll give you a link here in the description. You can go and simply go to the website and download it and use it. It's free forever. This is a welcome home screen. You can use your recent file. You are welcome to Affinity files. You can use them. Your recent file, and these are learn files. You can open them and it tells you gives you some information about that. Your template and favorite. I will show you more. But I'm working on Affinity, my cover in YouTube, and it's open there. You can simply click on one of these learning. You can see it gives you a learning, but I don't want that. You can close that. I will show you more about this software. So you can see main part of this Affinity are these three parts. First, look at here, it's a vector. You can see these are all vector tools here. Then going to the pixel, you can see the pixel tool will be changed, but here is similar to other. Then layout, this is like Illustrator, this is like Photoshop, and this is like it's a publisher or InDesign. Layout is publishing tool for creating newspapers, books, anything that you want, like Adobe Publisher software InDesign. Yeah, and we have another part, slice. It's a very powerful exporter. If you turn on, you can click on three T's. You can turn on AI, Canva AI. You can activate retouching tools, color grading, typography tools, compositing tool. This is an AI Canva. You have to, it's like a AI video and image generator of Canva. So you have to go and buy subscription here. Retouching tool, you can see it's open. These are all tools like Pixel, okay, but it's relocate tools. This layout is not new. It's a template for your work to better work. So our important retouching tool come here. Color grading tool and typography tool. It's just changing the tools and panels for better working on them. But we can turn all of them off and just turn on the slice. The slice is turned on, off. You can turn it on because we want to export it. It's a very powerful exporter. And then come back to vector. We're beginning to the vector design. After that, going to the pixel, then to the layout, and in between them, I explain all of the tools to you. Okay, like the other software, the tools, main tools are here, and if you select them, you can see the properties and the option of that tools. The settings of that are activating here. You can see any tool that you want. Another interesting part is if you select the sub tools will appear here. You don't need to hold and click and mouse. You can see, for example, sub tool does this. Sub tool of this tool. You can see it's automatically detected here. It's nice. And this is our main work to design. You can insert anything that you want. If you click on this icon and the home, you can insert, for example, this cover. You can see we have two tab here that you can navigate in between your works there. So we have another tools here that If you design something, that will be turned on. And we have a small export here that I'll show you when we want to go to export. Like other software, we have two menus here that we are going to explain them. So this button, it's navigate you to how to use the software with holding click, shift, alt, anything. Pay attention to this, they are very useful, okay? Maybe you work a lot of software and you cannot remember all of these shortcuts, so it helps you. Look at this. And this part is all about the colors, swatches, strokes, and appearance. I will show you more. There are 3 tabs and settings there. This tab is for layering, which layering in your work, pass brush, quick effects, and styles. They are here. We have effects, layer effects here that will show you more. Another layer mask, adjustment, everything that you need is here. So for transform, navigation, history, panel, they are here and we will show you one by one in detail. So if you go in a pixel, you can see we have a different tool for working on a pixel and image, and a little bit changing the color. So we have a channel, brush, stock, and like it's like a pixel. But you can see the designer tool will disappear because we don't need to that. And here is a vector mode. You can see the vector mode on a pixel mode. I will show you more. This is a layout for creating like design publishing tool. So you can see the layer, character, paragraph, text. Just these panels is just for texting and anything that you need to publish, newspaper, books, and everything. You can see the tools are changing. And after that is an slice, that all of the slice tool, you can see just we need the layer and the slice tool, and we don't have color or anything. Just this part is just for a slice. Okay, let's begin how to use this powerful software and free.